How to delete your Twitter account. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can delete your Twitter account. Now, the step is quite simple. First, what you want to do is open up the Twitter app and make sure you are logged into your account. You'll get an interface like this as you log in. Now, tap on the profile grid or profile icon that you can find at the top left corner of your screen, and then at the bottom of your screen you'll find the option Settings and Support. Tap on it, and under it head into Settings and Privacy. Now, once here, head into your account and you'll find the option Deactivate Account at the end. You can see just below Download and Archive of your data, you can find the option Deactivate Account. Tap on it, and what you want to do is simply tap on Deactivate. Now you can read all sorts of information what the deactivation will do. It'll say you can restore your Twitter account if it was accidentally or wrongfully deactivated for up to 30 days after deactivation. If you deactivate your account and if you try to log into your account again simply by typing in your username and password, you'll be able to log in back to your account once you deactivate within 30 days. However, if the 30 days limit is crossed, your account will be deleted permanently and all your data will be lost. So simply tap on Deactivate and type in your password and type in Deactivate, and you'll be able to delete your Twitter account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.